How to turn off apps permission on App Store. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Scroll down, head towards the option of Screen Time. Now open this option Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now head towards the option of iTunes and App Store Purchases. Type in your Screen Time passcode. Now over here you will find this section Require Password. Set it to Don't Require. Likewise, head back to the main page of Settings. At the very top, you will find your Apple ID. Open it. Now click on the option of Media and Purchases. Now click on the option Password Settings. Now over here you will find this option While Purchasing. Set it to Require after 15 minutes. Likewise, toggle off for this option of Require Password. Once you customize these settings, you will be good to go. So this is how you can easily turn off apps permission on App Store. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.